morning class. So today I'm going to go over the rest of our packet. Hopefully you have it, and once again, if you do not, don't worry, it is on Google Classroom and you can print it from home. So this is 2.6. It's going to be very similar to 2.5, but this one's actually easier because it actually gives you your place value charts on the page. So this is the one that I gave you, but I'm going to, once again, use my own so you can see exactly how I do it. So 21 has 2 tenths and 1 1. And 24 has 2 tenths and 4 ones. And then we're going to count 10, 20, 30, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. So the answer is 45. It says to remember to add the ones first, so if you did that, you could go 1 plus 4 is 5, and 2 plus 2, or 20 plus 20, is 40. So you don't have to count if you don't want to. You could add the ones and then the tens. This one, I'll do it 42 is 10, 20, 30, 40, 41, 42, and 51 is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, and 51. So this one shows 3 ones, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 tens. So 2 plus 1 is 3, 4 plus 5 is 9. And together we have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 91, 92, 93. So I just did it about 3 different ways there. Pick the way that you think is the easiest for you, and then show me on these ones. If you have any questions, please let me know. Now, 2.7 is going to be the most difficult, and I'm going to stay on this page the longest. So as you can see in my example, which I will go over again, you're gonna make a new 10. So you can either draw it, or I'll show you another way right now. So we're gonna do the same thing as we did in 2.5 and 2.6 and break them down. So 54 is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54. So 54 has 5 tens and 4 ones, 28, 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. 2 tens and 8 ones. So now, if you did the ones first, like we were just talking about, you're going to get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So you're going to get 12. To make it easier, count 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And move them over to the tens column. And so now you only have 2 left, so I'm going to put that 2 here. Now I can count my tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. So the answer is 82. Now another way, I could have just counted like I was doing before. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82. But when you get to big numbers, once again, counting, you can make a mistake. So I'm gonna do this one for you. 43, 10, 20, 30, 40, 41, 42, 43, and 18, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So I'm going to count my ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And I'm going to put them in a group and cross them out because I'm not going to count them anymore, but I'm going to make a 10 here. And that's my new 10 that I just created. So I have one left over. Now I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 tens. So let me count again the other way. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 51, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61. So once again, I do have the correct number. I could also know that 3 plus 8 is 11, and 40 plus 10 is 50, and then I could do 50 plus 11, which would be 50 plus 10, which is 60, plus 1, which would be 61. So there's many different ways to do this. And I'm going to show you again here. 39 plus 25, 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, and 25, 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. So this one, I'm going to actually try it the other way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So I have 14 over here, and 14 is 10 plus 4. And then I have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 over here. So if I did 50 plus 10, that's 60, plus 4 equals 64. Now let's see if I do that other ways. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64. And let's try again. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, I made a 10. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 64. Great. Now I'm going to move over here again. 74, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 17, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. You try it. And do these ones all by yourself. If you have any questions, please again, don't hesitate to ask. So this is 2.8. This is the one I gave you, so I did help you a little bit, but I'm going to start from the beginning to show you exactly how I did it. So for this first box, I put my 10, so that's just one 10. Then I did 36, 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, plus 24, 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, and plus 21, 10, 20, 21. Now it wants you to remember to add the ones first, and to then add the tens, and you'll get your hundreds. And to pick the problem from this lesson and tell me how you explained it. So I'm not going to tell you how to explain it or how to do it. I'm just going to ask you. So I'm going to recommend you doing this one because I'm going to try and show you how to do this one. So I told you to do the ones first, and you could just go slowly and do all of them two, and then add another, and then another. Once again, it's up to you. But we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ones here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, and 0 on that one. So we have 11 ones total. Now I know that 11 is a 10 and a 1. So I can make a new 10. So I'm going to put it down here because that's my new 10. Put that in. I have 1 over here. So now let's count my 10s. I have, putting the 1 from down here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 90. So my answer is 91. Now I'm going to count a different way. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91. And I got got that again. I like to double check my answers with a variety of strategies, and it's up to you on how you would like to do yours. So remember, 32, 15, 41, 13, and if you have 10 tens, then you would have to actually make 100. So try your best. If you have any questions, let me know. So 2.9, this is going to be the way that your parents know how to add. The only thing that you will have to know with this is that this is not a 1. This is a 10 because it's in the tens column. So if I ask you what this is, please do not tell me it's a 1. This is a 10, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do it on the next page. So here's the example it gives you. With the 1s, 34 and 18, the 4 and the 8, 4 plus 8 equals 12. So you would put the 2 here because in 12, the 2 is in the 1s column and the 1 is in the 10s column. So here's your 12, but it's separated. The 2 goes down here, the 10 goes here. And then 3 plus 1 plus 1 is 5. You have to add this 10 that you put there. And to us, or to me, it's easier if you were just to draw the line down here so that it's not forgotten over there. And it's closer to the 2 for 12. But I gave you this one. So you add the 1s first. Always add the 1s first, then the 10s, then the 100s. So 5 plus 4 is 9. I didn't have to add a 10 because it's less than 10. And 7 plus 2 is also 9. So on this one, 2 plus 9 is 11. So I would put the 1 here, and then I'm going to put the other one here so that it's not forgotten. And remember that this is a 10 because this is 11. 1, 1, and 1, 10. And then 3 plus 5 is 8, plus 1 is 9. And 3 plus 7 is 10. So you could either put the 1 up here or down here, but your parents will know to put it here. Now please remember that this is not a 1, it's a 10. It's in the tens column. 1 plus 1 is 2, plus 5 is 7. So please, once again, make sure that if you put a 1 here, it's not a 1, it's a 10. You will never put a different digit besides a 1. It will always be a 1. Because if it's a 2, you shouldn't be having more than 19 in this ever. So don't ever put a different number here. That means you're adding it wrong. So 3 plus 7 is 10. 1 plus 5 plus 1 is 7, but it's actually 10 plus 10 plus 50 equals 70. How to add 2-digit numbers now. Have a great day. Bye, everyone.